In this video, we are going to see how we can easily replace the watermark from any picture, and you won't be able to guess which one is that. This is of sales, this is of human resources. So what do you think is original? Now guys, this image was the original one with the human resources written in the background. I just asked Nano Banana with a simple command to replace it with sales, and look at the results. How perfectly it has customized and changed this text to sales, replacing the human resources. So first of all, we will try how we can customize the simple watermarks or any kind of text written in the background that's not a brand, and then we will try it on brands as well, like Shutterstock or something like that, which has a watermark, and we will try to remove that as well. Just to notice that to indicate people that this image is generated by AI, you can get this Gemini sign at the bottom right with each image generated by AI. So let's try the same image. I'll just start a new chat and click on upload the image. Let's upload this image of the watermark. This is the HR background, the original image. And I just asked Nano Banana to replace the human resource text with sales, or let's say this time accounts. Just remember, every time you have to provide a sample picture so that it can work perfectly on your commands. And look at this, guys, how perfectly it has removed, or you can say replace, the current text of human resources and change it with accounts. After that, whenever you want to download, just scroll down a little bit and you will get this download sign. So this one is the original picture and this is the after. And we have also done this for sales. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.